Hi everyone, you are back in my kitchen and this is Stephanie, and thank you all so much for coming. I do appreciate everything you do. I see my numbers going up and I see my comments and it's beautiful. And also, I just did a video called Food Talk, and I have my friends and family and we're talking about food, and I put that on Facebook, and of course my Facebook family does not know how to get over to YouTube. So all they have to do is subscribe, and then when the video will take you over to Google to do a Gmail account. All you have to do is make up a Gmail account. It is absolutely free. But once you have a Gmail account, you can watch anything you want on YouTube. And when you're watching me, please hit the subscribe button. Please comment in the bottom, and I can see what you all are talking about, and I can grow this thing. So I would appreciate it if you do that, if you're watching from Facebook, to just subscribe or use your Gmail account. So on with everything else. I do appreciate everybody, but on with this right now. Right now I'm going to do a simple little recipe because I bought me a new toy. I bought myself a Cook's Essential 1.5 thermal electric ice cream maker. So it's a little bit of ice cream. It doesn't make a lot of ice cream, but it makes enough ice cream. So I want to use I'm going to make me some homemade ice cream for a change. And that's what I've been playing with lately. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. All right, now the recipe that I'm going to make is going to make much more than 1.5. It's probably a double. It's going to make much more than 1.5 pints of ice cream. And I'm going to make a basic vanilla ice cream. And here's the thing. From that basic vanilla, you could add strawberries, you could add all kinds of things, blueberries, put some nuts in it, whatever you want. You could actually, with the two batches, in fact, you can make one vanilla and one something else. So this is what I'm going to show you guys right now, because it's ice cream season, even though, and it's still summer. So don't get it twisted. It's still summer. So we can have a little ice cream. But this ice cream, I'm not going to make it as sweet as normal ice cream, you know, that you get in a store. Plus I know what's in it, so I can have some. Anyway, I'm going to use 1 cup of light cream. You can use milk. You can use almond milk. You can use the milk that's not really milk. You know, you can use anything you want. And I'm going to of course use heavy cream. So I'm going to put 2 cups of heavy cream in here. 1 cup and 2 cups. All right. And, you know, I just took this out of the refrigerator. You know, you should do this as cold as you can get it. So I just really took this out the refrigerator, so it hasn't been out in the lights that long. And I'm going to put some sugar in. This calls for, the regular recipe will call for about at least a cup of sugar. But I'm not putting a cup of sugar in here. What I will do is put 2/3 cup of sugar. Now these are a 1/3 measuring cup. So that's 1. And that is 2. And I'll put 2/3 more or less because I'm doing more than that batch. You know, and you know, even that they want you to put more sugar in. But I'm just not doing that. Put just enough just to get some sweet in there. And of course, this is vanilla. It's so simple. You don't need that many ingredients. I'm going to put some vanilla beans in here. And it's about maybe a teaspoon or so. You know, I don't measure, as y'all see if you watch my other video. I don't generally measure things. I could tell by looking at it. And then I also I'm going to put just a drop more of vanilla vanilla extract from Watkins, one of my favorites. And that is it. Now, all I want to do is put the top on my food processor. No big deal. And I just want to beat this for like about a minute. So here we go. need, I think. I take this out, that away. And what I'm going to do now is pour this into my machine. And there we go. Took that off. Get rid of the beater. Okay. I'm going to pour this in here. I'm going to put the rest of it also in the refrigerator so I can finish making this. Now, you pour it into up to the max line. Actually, that's the max line. Okay. So I'll be making some more. Obviously, I have more than enough. And when you put on this top here, you have to make sure you press this thing down or it won't work. You must press this thing down right here. Press it all the way in. I could take it out, I'll show you. And you just press it in, and then you turn it so that it locks. Turn it down. Press it in and turn it so that it's in. Okay? And we have these two marks right here, these two little prongs, and we also got 2 prongs here. This thing must match up or it won't come on, it won't start. Now it comes with this thing right here, and you're supposed to hook it up to the back right here. You're supposed to hook it up right under here, right under that. And you make sure that you plug it in correctly. Let's see if I can open it with my finger here. I think I can. The thing opens right there. And you have to make sure that you do this correctly. If you don't, it will not come on either. First thing you do, and don't turn it, you see this way? Don't plug it in like that. Don't plug it in like this. Plug it in where the flat side is there, because it drove me crazy. That thing didn't work for me at first, so I was going to send it back. So, nope. Then I figured out I had it wrong. Because once you plug it in, this power light, this stop light comes on, and you know you got it right. So, that's the first thing we do. Second thing we do is make sure it's hooked up where the prongs are. Very simple. That should be fine, I hope. And then I'm going to press normal, and there it goes. It will do this for about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes until it gets hard, and we're done. And then we've made some ice cream. It's not going to be hard, but it'll be good enough for me to, actually I could eat it then if I want. But if you want it a little harder, you have to put it in the freezer. So I'll be back in an hour, and I'll show you how this looks. And then I'll keep on going and make the rest of my ice cream. Put it in the freezer, so for a week or two, I'll have some ice cream that I made, and I know what's in it, okay? I will be back, okay? Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. You are back in my kitchen, and I'm finishing up my video. I started this video on Sunday, and then stuff happened and whatever. So anyway, I had to finish the ice cream again. Or I started another batch of ice cream. So what I want to show you right now, because this is going to be the end of another video. This is Stephanie, of course. Anyway, this is at this point when the ice cream has stopped, and I'm going to get it out of here now because you see it's totally frozen. And I'm going to try to get this, I'm not even trying, I'm going to get it out of here at this point. And I'm going to finish making the rest of my batches of ice cream today. So you guys can see how it looks once it gets out of the machine. It's just that simple. And you see that you can definitely have some at this point. And this is how it looks when we get it out, when it's been in the refrigerator, because this is from last batch. And here is what it looks like. And I am going to take a taste. Sarita, would you like a taste?
No, thank you.
Okay. See, Sarita's sitting over there, but she doesn't want to get involved. So, the stuff is heavenly. So, I have finished this video, and I just wanted to say Thank you all for coming, and thank you all for subscribing. And please keep on coming, and please keep subscribing, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.